this same year afiwe mu and 2 countries are omutimi elu to some artifacts from other people of Asante omutimi enso returning enyo omukwa na elu to but they were the countries this year omutimi returning and no man baako edeba on loan, and that is the British when same ye be all over the internet if you are seeing that time news no, but that is not the main reason why we are here now. And only see and check I didn't say Americans no and so at the one more deal mulutu ye and so aba. But Americans no more the any day or more the basse or makumemu or more the aba. What you say? Now, and bia news being so circulated, and I'm sure some most of you, Mate, and that is South Africa. South Africa, some of the looted artifacts from the people of Asante. Abraham Noka say 28 and so a free South Africa and so aba. And no, and I'm focus South Africa there. Tambe, mirabe. Anu mutimi kodi Asantehene so na ni Asantehene artifact enso kopiemu e South Africa. I'm sure say on your screen utimi hu say papa bi enso eda hwa ne wadre say gentle, but the photo is in the form of a painting. Getting the photo of this man enye easy cry. Ne momo no painting ne ho no eno ana one of the photos are they representing all over the internet. Ebinum ewo ni mfonyi ba ni mfonyi enye easy to get. Na ebedi nkomo afa sa crash we hu ntimesre pa say jemre enko bia because enen komo no the pa said din komo about a quiet fast so Asantehene precious artifact ekodi South Africa. I'm no ka say omode 28 and aba this weekend a di enim ye na watwe di enim ye menhia there will be a mini derby official display of the 28 artifacts as anonso every South Africa abepiemu ewo the Asante region afa miemu remu ani ehwe ekwan this beautiful artifact esu etim kopiemu ewo South Africa mamin kao said ne dedi kan aba do not forget so be subscribe to this channel send a be the video to my phone no enso ebetimi akacho ntentim no aba homodin say odonsa enso ebebo adoma so no atwisu all notification icon I'm adomanum and odonsa ebo on so enam so the video to my phone no enso ebetimi akacho so krati that was screening to your friend Joseph Muller. Now Joseph Muller of Switzerland in the year 1922 and say esa collection as any okwa no akwasa na wonim sesa akwo si a na enoma bebrase esombo enso etimi ka ewa akomum especially ebia akwo no kopie mu okro bi ase a amanfo no mapa ene krampo accident si a na obi nam no to amanfo botom precious thing ebi fa phones nya da eti ehase pretty no etiti ni nyina na ebi enso ho edi Asantehene no kwa akwo a enoma ehu hia esombo no na ye wo abrofo a womo nso etimi nam ase omu sa no man the artistic mind behind it, the beautiful side of the creation of the object now womo se sa sa no man it womo se sa no dey akogu the coastal area because ho ana the big marketplace what you say now womo akotom ye wa abrofo ano mo nso bowra Africa. They were not there say omo de omo be kontokwa. They were always there just to explore say omo hu say continent foforo wa ha nipa foforo wa ha omo live omo life saying de no mo ye so sa abrofo no na Joseph Muller enso eka ho bi so Joseph Muller de ono enye ntokwa ntina na wonam na emom so obe collect artifacts o de akoni kuro mu Switzerland etie no ena nam so Joseph enso etimi pale enoma bebre ekopie mu ewo Switzerland. Now to cut everything short there was a timer na say Joseph Muller ontimi entwa the collection around the world no ontimi entwa so bio etine ba your friend Monique onini krum your friend Jim Paul ehun say e wo so omotoa Joseph Muller nyuma a obo ye no e wo so omotoa so etine ba ba yi say otoa ne papa adwuma so the collection of artifact eso no enam so ema onini kunu ko bie museum bi friend Babia Muller museum due to refocusing priorities bi ntino e wo so no ma bi efri Africa no omu jemu emane ko ase adwen sesa bi ene no ma bi a ehia so omu yenti e wo so omu jai no ma ni bi emane ko. So in the year 2000 Gold Asante, that is one of the biggest mining companies we have seen and so etimi ko pie mu e wo Switzerland na omu no mu ko di nkomo so omu hia sa no ma ni nyina especially the things are not belonging to the people of Asante etu omu to sa no ma ni nyina omu to ye no mu ko pie mu back to omu kro. You all know say the Gold Asante no if South Africa. If I'm wrong I stand to be corrected. Ubetimi correct me e wo the comment section as but I am sure nti the Gold the sa no ma we sa no ma ye omu to ye every the Babia Muller museum no ko pie mu e wo South Africa no tio omo amfa nko babia so omo de ko pie mu ewo Gold of Africa Museum, one of the biggest museum ewo Africa. Ye ma ensem no wanwane say aye te say artifact no ontimi ntina faako oduru ha na ese ye pam no oduru ha se ensem no ewusua wanwan Ekopie mu enso ewo the gold of Africa museum no. Ense mi so see it. So they had to shut the museum down. Na ewo se omo to you know, artifact ni bi wa honhom wo mu ebusia intimi ntina faako. I spirit bi chechi no. So because of some reasons, the gold of Africa museum had to close, had to shut down, and because of that, no gold Asante your margin said. Betam ASI, collections with artifacts. Normally, I could PM and so our University of Pretoria. There is an art center or I have from a Javat Art Center, our University of Pretoria. Normally, go PM earlier this year. Ana Asantehene Otumfuo and so edit to the no good Asante and him say. There's some precious artifacts they were looted from the people of Asante. And to me ko PMU Switzerland. A free Switzerland abe PMU South Africa. Akwa ko PMU Cape Town Museum I friend Gold of Africa Museum. Right from there Asako PMU University of Pretoria South Africa honomwa. Now ono the Otumfuo no ya aware say artifacts they were bought by the Anglo Gold Asante in the Anglo Gold Asante form edia. So due to the relationship between Omoni Anglo Gold Asante obepe says artifacts now they were looted from the people of Asante and Asantehene no ensa ebeka omade enso eba. Otumfuo kan asem no na Anglo Gold Asante the relationship between them and Otumfuo no as say asem no ayekese ama won because they do not want to destroy the relationship between them and the Otumfuo. Otumfuo so de okasa na emudo. And so much in one who said the be. I was saying maintaining the relationship between us and the Asante, and because of that, I was here to me this looted artifacts no and so ekoma the Asantehene no and so back. I don't angry no more confirm we and say omo the bebra Asantehene back room. Na say I can't say a baby piemu ewo Ghana. Enti eba sadia there's akwa kujina the Reserve Bank of South Africa so say obe permit no mano ama etimi abedu Ghana. The Reserve Bank of South Africa so eja kudos to them mama badwuma omutimi permit bi bia say enoma no ensanko back because of the relationship between Otumfuo and South Africa. So currently as I'm talking to you, this beautiful artifact as eba be piemu that is this weekend Manhyia Ebusia etimi aye possible. Do not forget say obebo homodin die we bia akopiem Manhyia this weekend. There were people almost no mere collectors omo de etoto internet no so omo twitwa ye what I say etonton ye he but stating it clear sana we akonwa na Asantehene bi eteso eno he sa akonwa we edua unhu precious jewelry bia enso but because of say Asantehene bi atena so da keke no he de akwesi broni eton no oton 5,171 euros for just this chair and what they call Ghana zikada that is 880 million and what on sa akonwa we enti say ene sa normal we nyina na se Anglo Gold Asante etimi akwa gini nyina ma no akwa di South Africa na ene eba be piemu ewo Asante mema. We are supposed to know the value of all these things because I'm telling you this generation we are quite fortunate say eba be hu sa normal we nyina and this is the main reason why you are supposed to support the 100 years anniversary of Prempeh the First and also ebe koso ewo Kumasi no because that is the main reason why Otumfuo ebo modern say sa normal we nyina and so ebeba be piemu ewo the Asante region. It will get to a time abrofo no omo travel to any other place in the world so omo ko he Asantehene normal a good British Museum, American Museum omo go back to Asante region and akwo because the Asantehene this current Asantehene and I'm telling you or collecting all the artifacts back to the Asante and you know how much these white people are willing to pay just to see it, especially uko Manhyia Museum has said the nipa timi bodom pem so omo ko hwe no man ebusha. In this year, display sound normal way, in a public. Take advantage of it and be there and watch it with your red eyes. Bet me, so bet me, I call the Manhyia Museum. Now, Jessica, all these beautiful things, including the Omoji every air the British this year, and Omoji every air America this year. And this is the story behind a quiet fast war, as some the artifacts we and so it's me PMU our air South Africa. And to one no Mubusano say a day and this 28 artifact. As I said, this weekend is going to be displayed at a mini there by Manhyia. It could be a South African. And when I can, my papa will answer at your middle wedding car. In case of any update, message share. Do not forget to share. Now more money, now more monkey can and a South Africa for credit as and for so that and yes, and that is the main reason why you are supposed to share this video. A backwasem a town quite fast wa so normal we say as a spirit to be them as a spirit to be jina no manim okwan back to where it belongs to. I tell you say sikega e wo to me. You know wedding grave say sure that next video mun ya kini ma crowd.
K1 oh boy Juma we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic. So you see commentary news in the bar. So you see commentary for home. We are so good. Keep on going.
And the star also the ebema other tribe a follow. Unyi sorted. Undia temni. That's how be cano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say Uncle commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we need maybe a local strength free but it's all good. Oh yeah, dear. Can one modern? Can one try pa?